Good morning, students. I am Nabila Siddiqui, your computer teacher, and I hope you are all well and fine in your home and following the lockdown 4. Up to my last video, I told you about the concept of software, chapter 2, including types of software, operating system, language processors, utility softwares, etc. Today, I shall be telling you about the application softwares and its type: integrated software, tailor-made packages software, and general purpose software. So after watching today's video, you will be able to explain what is application software and all its types. So we are starting here. We are having the very first picture, which is explaining the category of software. In that, the first part, system software, I already explained, and then today I will be explaining you application packages, application softwares, including integrated packages, tailor-made softwares, and general purpose packages, etc. So let's start. Application software. What do you mean by application software? So application software is a set of instructions designed for a specific task. For example, word processing, database, spreadsheet, and graphic suite, presentation, etc. There are a variety of application software that user can select and choose the one which suits to its requirement or need. The application software makes the computer very easy and very useful, and most of the time you spend the time on computer, you work with application softwares. So the types of application softwares are here: integrated packages, tailor-made softwares, and general purpose packages. So what do you mean by integrated package? Integration, integrate means including multiple in a small space, means it is a package of multiple uh, small softwares. So integrated packages, integrated software consists of collection of application. It is the collection, of course I told you, collection packages which share the common set of tools, commands. And integrated packages may be word processor, spreadsheet, database, graphics package, all in one. The advantages of using this is the commands are common throughout, so it is easier to use. So for example, if you are using a command for saving a document, so it is shortcut is Control S. So Control S you can use in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and in graphics softwares also. So the command is same for all the suites, all the part of that suite. So integrated packages are cheaper and therefore popular also. Microsoft Office is an very best example which integrates the package and uh, includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, picture tool, etc. Integrated software consists of collection of application packages which share the common set. Again, it is repeating the same point. Now next is tailor-made software. So what do you mean by tailor-made software? Tailor-made softwares are designed as per the requirement or the need of, yes, designed according to the need of the organization. The software can be very easily expensive. The software can be expensive and used for the companies with a large computer department or where the application packages are not available. For example, accounting, management, reservation system, etc. Next we are having general purpose packages. So the general purpose packages are the set of softwares used for general task, not the specific. The most application softwares are specific to particular type of business, not specific. In fact, for instance, Microsoft Word or word processing tool you can use by any business. Similarly, Microsoft Access is a database package which can also be used to develop some other tailor-made software, etc. So what are the example of general purpose packages? Word processing, graphics suites, spreadsheet, database, presentation, web page creation, desktop publishing, expert system, etc. So we are having a chart explaining the type of software and its example and the uses here. So word processing, for word processing we are having Microsoft Word, WordPerfect. OpenOffice is also giving a writer, software name is writer. For presentation we are having PowerPoint, OO, Impress, etc. For spreadsheet we are having Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice, Calc, etc. For database, MS Access, Oracle, SQL, and OpenOffice is giving base. For web designing we are having Adobe Dreamweaver, which is very efficient and very important tool for web designing, Web Studio, etc. For desktop publishing and graphic suite we are having CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Adobe PageMaker, Adobe InPage, InDesign, Quark Express, etc. So these are all very important, very specific general purpose softwares used on the computer systems. So today what I told you about, I told you the application packages, application softwares which cover integrated packages in tailor-made softwares and general purpose softwares. Okay, so thanks for watching. I shall be telling you more in the next video. Thank you.